Hello and welcome to this lesson on number 1 in Cello Time Joggers, which is called Bow Down O Belinda. Now, Cello Time Joggers, if you're not familiar with it, is an amazing book. I use it with most of my cello students. It's wonderful because it has a CD, so it's a play-along series, which makes it about 1,000,000 times more fun than just playing something on your own. So the other thing is it has lots of really cool cartoons, and you can colour some of them in as well, which is good fun. So whenever you start the cello, you start off by using a technique called pizzicato. Pizzicato is an Italian word and it means to pluck the string. The other way that we can make sound on the cello is by using our bow, but we don't usually bring this into the equation for some time, for maybe a few weeks after we've started. So how do we play pizzicato? So we're going to talk about this now. Well, what I do is I make a C shape with my right hand, and I place my thumb against the side of the fingerboard, and then I use my first finger, my index finger, and I pull the string. Now you will discover that if you pull the string very lightly, you make very quiet sounds, and if you pull the string very strongly, you make loud sounds. Why don't you try that now? So let's do some lovely quiet notes. So let's play on the D string. So here we go. 1, 2. Okay, let's get louder. Start plucking a little bit harder. Wow, very good. You see how loud that is? Fantastic. Excellent. Now, in number 1, there are 2 cello parts. So whenever you listen to the CD, you'll hear the melody played by the first cello, and the second cello part is the one which you're going to play. Now, in this book, it's indicated by a star. So you're the star of the show, so you play the star line. So I'm going to put the video, I'm going to put the CD on now, and I'm going to play the part that you're going to play. One, two. Super. Now, that was very steady because I'm thinking of my thumb as a little anchor, so that's keeping me nice and steady. But if I wanted to listen things up a little bit and to play with an even more open, more beautiful sound, then what I could do is I could be a little bit more adventurous and actually lift my thumb off. So I start like this, and now listen to the difference. Isn't that lovely? So why don't you try it again and try and lift your hand off each time. And another really cool technique is, if you're feeling really adventurous, is you can actually use your thumb. So think of a lovely circular idea like that. So what I do is I shoot down the string, like this is a ski slope. So I pull the right hand side of the string, and then I jump off at the end, and then I do a circle which brings me back to the string again. And that is so much fun, and it sounds amazing. So now let's try the ski slope pizzicato idea together with the CD. One, two. So you can decide which technique you prefer. This one here, where you're very solid and secure with your anchor, your thumb staying on the side of the fingerboard, or the more adventurous ski slope idea like that. So thank you for joining me and have fun. Cello!